Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want to get your first 1,000 subscribers? Yes. Well, at the time I'm going to be posting this video, I might not have my first 1,000 subscribers, but I'll be sharing tips and what I've been doing to getting subscribers and also how I'm going to be getting to that journey. I understand you don't have the big gadgets, you don't have all those fancy equipment and everything, but yet you can still get your 1,000 subscribers and also get to monetization. The goal is to build a community that loves what you do and enjoy your videos. So guys, if that sounds like you, make sure that you stick around, and by sticking around I mean make sure you subscribe, you comment, and you like this video. I know you've seen BB content creators with 10,000, 12,000, 150K subscribers, and you're wondering how do they get to this, like how did they do it? Well, from what I have seen and I've researched, I've seen that it is consistency. You need your 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube. That is your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. Yes, it might be like a big goal that you might not be able to achieve, but you can also do it. So let's get straight into the tips. Number one tip that you need to know is that create content that people are searching for. Create content that people want to see. Create content that people want to watch. For example, when you check on YouTube and you see videos like, oh, how to grow on YouTube, how to create your YouTube studio, your YouTube banner, all those things. You see that people are searching for those kind of content. That's why most times when you see people talk about YouTube, they tend to get a lot of subscribers, a lot of viewers, because people like you and me, or like you and I, that are currently trying to gain or trying to build a community are searching for how to start their own YouTube channels. So create content that people love. And then if you're into this lifestyle content creation, you're into vlogs, create vlogs that are quite engaging and that are very beautiful to watch. You might not have the big old fancy DJI cameras, but you can also start with your phone and start building your subscribers, start building your community bit by bit. And also, if you are thinking that, oh my God, I have a content creation, what's it called? I don't have the flair for content creation, or I don't have ideas. You can just type into the Google search bar and see what people are searching for. You can type how to create blah blah blah. You can type how to create different kind of things, and then you see the actual words that people are actually searching for, so that you don't just create content that is going to be at the back of the YouTube algorithm and people are not going to watch it. And then you can also try tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can use the paid version, because the paid version gives you access to more of search engine optimization tools, and then also you get to see actual words that people are searching for. You get to see the volume, and you get to see the rate at which the words or the titles that you're going to create can go viral or can also gain subscribers and viewers. The number two tip I'm going to be giving is to work on your thumbnails, work on your title, work on your end cards, work on your what's it called, your description box. For example, when you're creating a YouTube channel, you don't just want to give boring titles. You want titles that is going to be eye catching to people. You want titles that people are going to be like, oh my God, I want to watch this video. Apart from your titles, you also want thumbnails. There's some videos that you'd see the content creator making faces, like maybe Mr. Beast or all these Nigerian content creators. Like, say, oh my God, they're going to be making different faces, and they're going to be like, oh, I want to see what is going on here. From this thumbnail, this video might actually be interesting. Then they click on it, they watch from it for probably for like a minute, and they're like, okay, I like this video, they stay. So your thumbnail is like the first thing that people are going to see, that's going to be eye catching to them. They're going to be like, I need to see what this person is doing. So make sure you work so hard on your thumbnail. Make sure you like create engaging titles that people are going to watch. For your description box, make sure that at least you create meaningful sentences with the words in your title, so that the SEO can pick it up that, okay, yes, if you are creating how to create a YouTube channel, know that your description box, you don't just outrightly write, oh, how to create a YouTube channel. No, you're going to write, maybe in today's video we're going to be talking about how to, create a YouTube channel, stuff like that, so that the algorithm does not think that you are doing word for word or you're creating repetition, and then probably flag you as a bot or something. So make sure you create engaging thumbnails. You also write searchable titles, and then you also work on your description box. Tip 3. The number 3 tip is to leverage on your YouTube shorts. No matter how maybe boring you think your content is, the moment you create it into a YouTube short and then you post it on your YouTube page, it tends to get more people. And then if it is the interesting part that you created into a YouTube short, people tend to see that. And I also hope you know that your YouTube short too can also add up to your watch time. So when you create a YouTube short, it gives people a, a glimpse about what is going on in your video. And then they say, okay, I think I like this person's personality. Let me go to their channel. Then they check your videos and then they see that, oh my God, you're actually a fun person. They like your content. That way, you build your subscribers and you build a community of people that love your videos, that want to like comment, that want to subscribe. And then that way you continue to grow. And there's one thing I want to tell people, that growth is not linear. Today you can be at maybe 100 subscribers, tomorrow you might be stuck for like maybe 2 days or a week, you might not see any growth, and then maybe the next 1 week you see that growth is not linear. For some people, they come on YouTube and then boom, they get it. But why for some people, you have to work, you have to put in your time, you have to be consistent, you have to create more videos. People want to see more of you, people want to know you more, and then that way you build your community. People tend to like want to stick around when they see that, okay, yes, you're producing videos maybe every 2 days, every 3 days. They tend to say, okay, you're uploaded today. Oh my God, I think I can watch this person. Oh my God, let me stick around with this person. And then before you know, you create your community. And then the number 4 tip I'm going to be telling you, which is actually an OG tip, is to engage with big creators or similar creators that are bigger than you in your YouTube space. For example, you want to get YouTube subscribers and you see big creators talking about, oh, how to get YouTube subscribers. You go to their page, you watch their videos. After watching their videos, you comment beautiful comments like, oh my God, I like your video, it is so inspiring. Other people coming to that comment section will be like, okay, you're dropping videos, let me even check. But sometimes we are human beings, we tend to do things. So they might just check and click on your video and say, oh my God, you're also a content creator. And then they check your videos, they watch it, and they subscribe. You can do this for like maybe 10 content creators that are also in your niche. And then you like, when you do this from this place, maybe you get like 5 subscribers from here. Do it to another person, you get 5 subscribers. That way you might even get like up to like 10 or 15 subscribers in a day. For real, try it. That's one tip I would give you guys. Try commenting on, maybe if you're a travel vlogger, go on to maybe Tyler Ino's page, comment something nice, and then before you know it, you might tend to pull subscribers from there too, and your growth has started. The fifth tip I'm going to be talking about is to promote your videos. As much as we all know, sometimes your family and friends might not want to watch your videos, and sometimes you just have to be cringe. When I mean cringe, you have to like take away all the shame, take away all the, oh my God, what will people say? Am I doing it well? You can start by creating what people will think as nonsense, but it's actually making sense to you. So the moment whatever you are doing is making sense to you, then it's going to make sense to the rest of the world when you get established in that part. So now when you create your videos and you feel like as if, oh my God, you have too much of family, friends, or village people, maybe on your WhatsApp status, don't post it there. Post it to Facebook, post it to TikTok. You don't know. We are human beings, we have different preferences. Like, people tend to watch the weirdest things. Then they watch your videos, and then before you know, you become the best content creator. Make sure that whenever you're creating your videos, you tell people to like, to comment, to subscribe. Just like I'm telling you now, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Edgel, I'm begging you, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Post it anywhere. You can post it on your maybe Instagram story for just maybe 24 hours, and then you delete. You post on your TikTok story maybe just for like 6 hours and then you delete. I'm sure that during that time frame, people are going to see it. People are going to want to watch your videos. So don't be afraid that, oh my God, I am this, I'm not speaking well, I am cringe. Right now, I know that yes, I might be skipping, but with time it gets better. With time you get very comfortable. With time you don't even care maybe people are watching you or not. You just keep doing your thing, doing whatever you love. You grow into it, you adapt into it. So be cringe. I think that's going to be the takeout for today's video. Be cringe. Be cringe. And in the words of the old people, do not give a yes, do not give a fuck. Just do you. Do whatever you love. If you feel in your mind that, oh my God, I want to do this, do it. So far you're not causing harm to yourself, you're not causing harm to other people around you. So far it's going to be of beneficial opportunities, or beneficial, what's it called, of beneficial importance to you. Do you, because there's only just one you, nobody else apart from you. Do you. The sixth tip is always to convert your viewers to subscribers. Like you're going to be like, oh my God, what is she saying again? In essence, what I'm trying to say is that always tell people to comment, to like, and to subscribe. And also, no, tell them to subscribe, comment, and like. Maybe in every 1 second of a video, you can always bring up that animation, this thing, that those tinging, comment, tinging, subscribe, tinging, like, tinging. You know, tell people to drop down videos that they want to see. Tell people to engage with one another in the comment section. That way, you're going to build, what's it called? You're going to build subscribers. You're going to build viewers. You're going